I'm trying to record this. No, stop, babe.
Crazy.
Ain't it crazy? You want to go in?
Yes, we will.
No. That was super duper cool right there. Clear sky over there. And a big old storm coming right over there. I love this. This is awesome. Look at the trees waving. They're waving to us saying, "Hey, trees."
Hey, cheese.
That was pretty freaking cool, man.